I am a sympathetic person. Uh, when I was younger, I often use words and phrases from movies and television in conversation. True, when I was younger, maybe. I don't know. Nggak terlalu sering sih sebenarnya pakai kata-kata yang dari TV itu. But maybe never true, but true only now. When I was young, yeah, I think yes. I am often surprised when other tells me I have been rude. Nope, I always know when I am rude to people. Gue bakal tahu gue kalau kalau gue bakal terlalu jahat sama seseorang. Sometimes I talk too loudly or too softly and I'm not aware of it. Never true. I always conscious when I'm speaking. Gue selalu nyadar ketika gue berbicara sama orang. I often don't know how to act in social never true. Oh, gue pas masih kecil kayak agak canggung gitu loh kalau ketemu orang younger than 16. Yep. I can put myself in other people's shoes. I can put myself. Oh, kayak oke. Never true. Gue nggak bakal bisa nyambung sama apa namanya urusan orang lain atau kejadian sama ya berkaitan sama orang lain nggak bakal nyambung. Kecuali ya gue ya let's go lanjut. I have hard time figuring out what some phrases mean, like you are the apple of my eye. Uh, mungkin sebagian kecil kayak kata-kata yang terlalu sulit atau bahkan yang baru masuk ke KBBI gitu, mungkin. True, I only talk to people who share my special interests. Pas gue masih kecil tuh emang gue kayak nggak mau ngobrol sama orang kecuali pas orang itu benar-benar punya hobi atau kesukaan yang sama gue gitu loh pas masih kecil. I focus on details rather than overall idea. I focus on details. Yep, true. Gue selalu bakal ceritain detail sedetail mungkin atau bahkan gue mikir sedetail mungkin bahkan ketika seseorang tuh nggak pernah mikir sama sekali. I always notice how food feels in my mouth. This more important to me than how it tastes. Gue lebih kepada rasa. Never true. Gue lebih kepada rasa. Yang gue makan apa aja yang penting itu enak dan halal dan baik gitu loh. Bukan batu enak dimakan, enggak. Yang penting baik dan enak gitu dah. I miss my best friend or family when we're apart for a long time. Never true. Yep. I don't. Mungkin terdengar jahat emang. Mungkin terdengar jahat, cuman ya nggak terlalu apa namanya, nggak terlalu kangen gitu loh sama teman-teman dekat atau keluarga gitu. Meskipun gue udah hampir 1 tahun nggak pulang atau 1 tahun nggak ketemu mereka, ya nggak kangen aja. I don't know. Sometimes I offend other by saying what I'm thinking even I don't mean to. True. Gue emang kadang suka bikin orang tuh sakit hati itu, suka aja. Karena lebih tepatnya gue tuh orangnya terlalu to the point. Misal kalau mereka lagi jahat atau mereka lagi di posisi yang seharusnya gue nggak bilang ke mereka, tapi gue bilang ke mereka anyway gitu loh. Kayak bahkan gue sama sekali nggak merasa kalau gue itu jahat kepada mereka. But I don't know, that's me. I only like to think and talk about a few things that interest me. No, maybe true. Ketika gue pas masih kecil kayak sama kayak pas tadi di atas, gue bakal cerita ke orang ketika orang itu punya kesukaan atau interest yang sama sama gue. I'd rather go out eat in a restaurant by myself than with someone now. Ya, true. Now, gue lebih suka makan sendiri daripada sama temen atau sama orang lain gitu. Gak tau, enjoy aja sendiri. I cannot imagine why I would be like to someone else. True. Gue sebenarnya gue nggak terlalu punya pengalaman tentang hubungan asmara lah. Intinya meskipun gue pernah ada satu titik di mana gue punya suka sukaan sama orang gitu. Tapi ketika orang itu nanya balik ke gue, apakah gue siap? Gue nggak siap. Dan itu apa namanya, efek efek banget sama gue yang sekarang. Itu efek banget sama gue yang sekarang sih. I have been told that I am clumsy or uncoordinated. I have been told, not never true. Gue selalu conscious, gue selalu sadar apa yang gue lakukan saat gue melakukan hal tersebut. Other consider me odd or different. True. Sering sekali orang berpikiran gue itu sangat aneh dan terlalu berbeda dengan yang lain. I understand when friends need to be confronted. True. Meskipun gue orangnya tuh terlalu terlalu jahat kepada orang lain, cuman gue tuh sadar ketika orang tuh butuh affection atau ketika butuh perhatian gitu, gue bakal nyadar lebih dulu. Meskipun gue nggak akan ngomong ke orangnya langsung, gue akan langsung praktek ke dia, langsung kasih affection terbaik buat dia gitu loh. Meskipun mereka nggak tanya atau bahkan orang lain itu nggak cerita ke gue bahwa si A si B itu lagi sedih lah, lagi apalah, gue pasti tahu duluan. I am very sensitive to the way my clothes feel when I touch them. How I feel it's more important to me than how they look. Yap, ini true banget. Ketika gue pakai pakaian, gue lebih fokus ke diri gue sendiri. Apakah ini pakaian gue nyaman, bukan ke penampilan gue gitu loh. I like to copy the way certain people speak and act. It helps me appear more normal. Lebih kepada true sekarang tuh, karena dulu gue nggak peduli sama orang lain, cuman sekarang gue kayak karena gue sudah beranjak dewasa, lebih mau ke fase bapak-bapak ya kan. Gue kadang copy atau imitate seseorang, cara berbicara atau cara perilaku mereka, kayak biar gue ngeblend gitu loh sama orang lain gitu. It can be very intimidating for me to talk to more than one person at the same time. Gini, gue orangnya suka ngobrol jujur, cuman ngobrolnya itu jarang sama orang banyak gitu loh. Ya mungkin circle gue aja mungkin maksimal sampai 5 orang gitu kan. I have to act normal to please other people and make them like me. Never true. Gue selalu bertingkah apa yang menurut gue enak menurut gue. Meeting new people is usually easy for me. True. Only now tapi pas ketika gue masih kecil ya, intinya masih SMK ke bawah gitu, kayak gue ketemu orang lain tuh kayak males, terus nggak mudah gitu ketemu sama orang lain gitu. Susah gue. Kayak gue orangnya terlalu introvert waktu itu. I get highly confused when someone interrupts me when I'm talking about something and I'm very interested in. Ya, jujur ketika gua ngebahas sesuatu yang menurut gua asik dan tiba-tiba itu dipotong pembicaraan sama orang, kadang gua bakal bingung kenapa orang motong pembicaraan gua padahal lagi asik-asiknya. Habis itu gua kayak malas aja gitu mau ngomong lagi. It is difficult for me to understand how other people feeling when we are talking. Never true. Gue selalu nyadar perasaan mereka meskipun gue berbicara kasar kepada mereka gitu loh. I like having conversation with several people, for instance around a dinner table, at school or at work. Yep, ini coba tadi gue udah bahas. I take things too literally, so I often miss what people are trying to say. Kadang gue terlalu fokus sama diri gue sendiri, bahkan sering kayak nggak terlalu paham sama apa yang orang omongin gitu. Lanjut. It is very difficult for me to understand when someone is embarrassed or jealous. Gue bakal tahu ketika itu orang lagi mempermalukan diri sendiri atau lagi kesel sama gue gitu. Gue bakal tahu. Some ordinary textures that do not bother others feel very offensive when they touch my skin. Some ordinary textures that do not bother. Some ordinary texture when they touch my skin. Iya, gue sebenarnya ada bagian yang menurut gue ketika orang bahas bagian tubuh gue, itu gue bakal kayak marah aja. Itu bagian leher. Kalau misal kalian ketemu gue in real life gitu kan, itu kalian bakal langsung notice ada sesuatu di leher sebelah kanan gue. Sesuatu yang sangat-sangat aneh di sebelah kanan leher gue itu. Ketika orang bahas itu, gue bakal bukan marah, bukan gimana, kayak kenapa sih bahas itu gitu loh, kenapa. I get extremely upset when the way I like to do things is suddenly change. True. Ketika gue melakukan sesuatu yang gue suka, tiba-tiba itu berubah. Ketika itu gue bakal marah aja, kayak kesel gitu loh. I never wanted to be needed to have what other people call an immediate relationship. True. Sekarang gue kayak gak terlalu memikirkan gitu loh. Kayak kalau orang nanya ke gue udah punya pacar apa belum. Kalau mau nanya lagi kapan punya pacar, nggak tahu, karena gue nggak mau nyari dulu. It is difficult for me to start and stop conversation. I need to keep going until I'm finished. True. Gue ketika ngobrol sama teman, itu yang stop pembicaraannya itu harus teman gue, bukan gue. Itu karena gue susah banget buat yang namanya itu stop pembicaraan gitu. Kayak gue harus bener-bener keep going gitu. Walaupun meskipun gue orangnya introvert dan suka ngobrol, tapi kalau ketika gue itu kehabisan ide atau kehabisan topik pembicaraan, itu kan bakal awkward sekali ya kan. Itu bakal diam hening gitu. Itu kayak gue dalam hati itu kayak gue harus bener-bener speak lagi. Gue harus bener-bener bener-bener ngomong lagi, cuman nggak tahu mau ngapain, tapi susah gitu. I speak with a normal rhythm. True. Tapi terkadang pas ketika gue ngobrol sama orang dan itu sangat obrolannya itu sangat excited banget buat gue, apalagi kita berdua atau kita semua memiliki kesukaan yang sama ketika ngobrol gitu, itu bakal ritme dalam cara gue bicara itu berbeda langsung. The same sound, color, texture, and can suddenly change from very sensitive to very dull. True. The phrase "I've got you under my skin" makes me uncomfortable. Iya, kadang kalau orang memasukkan frase yang tinggi seperti itu, kayak gue terlalu kenapa sih gitu loh. Sometimes the sound of a word or a high-pitched noise can be painful to my ears. True. Gue nggak suka banget sama suara-suara yang pitch-nya tinggi banget. Kecuali ya kayak orang pas nyanyi gitulah. Ya nyanyi-nyanyi gitu biasa ya, itu ya it's okay gitu. Cuman kalau misal ada suara pitch-nya tinggi banget, itu kayak why gitu. Padahal gue tipe orang yang kemana-mana itu pakai headset. Ya meskipun gue pakai headset, ya yang gue denger ya musik-musik kalem aja. I am an understanding type of person. True. Gue itu tipe orang yang bakal tahu ketika orang itu butuh affection atau butuh yang lain gitu. Gue bakal tahu. I do not connect with character in movies and cannot feel. I do not connect with character in movies and cannot feel what they feel. Maybe I cannot tell someone is flirting with me. True. Gua kan orangnya kayak gak mau sedang di fase tidak mau mencari pasangan ya kan. Nah, di fase itu bahkan gua nggak bisa bedain sama sekali ketika orang itu ngobrol biasa, ketika itu orang lagi flirting atau lagi ngegoda, ketika itu orang lagi sarkas, itu gua nggak bisa bedain. I can see my mind in exact detail things that I'm interested in. True, gue bakal sadar ketika pikiran gue itu bakal tertarik ke suatu hal. I keep lists of things that interest me when even when they have no practical use. For example, sports, statistic, train schedule, calendar dates, historical facts and dates. True. Ketika ada 1, 2, 3 event yang menurut gue menarik, itu gue bakal tambahin ke dalam catatan history atau catatan pribadi atau catatan daily gue gitu. Meskipun itu nggak terlalu penting. BTW ini anjing banyak banget cuk. 80. When I feel overwhelmed by my senses, I have to isolate myself to shut them down. True. I like to talk things over with my friends. Never true. Gua masih belum ada feel atau rasa untuk cerita ke seseorang meskipun itu teman dekat gua gitu. I cannot feel if someone is interested or bored with I'm saying. Yep, gua bakal nggak tahu apakah itu orang interested ke gua atau apa namanya boring ke gua gitu. Lanjut. It can be very hard to read someone's face, hand, and body movement when they are talking. Nope, never true. Gue bakal perhatikan sedetail-detail mungkin kayak mimik wajah, gerakan tubuh, sama ekspresi mereka gitu. Gue bakal tahu. The same thing like clothes or temperature can feel very different to me at different times. True. Ketika gue pakai apa namanya baju gitu, jam 7 rasanya adem aja. Jam 8 udah mulai panas. Jam 9 kadang udah mulai adem lagi. Jam 10 udah beda lagi anjir. I feel very comfortable with dating or being social situation with other. I can feel very comfortable. When I was younger. Itu balik lagi ke tadi yang gue cerita kayak emang gue pernah ada perasaan sama orang. Itu emang kadang nyaman aja. Cuman ketika gue belum siap dalam hal tersebut it's painful. It's painful. I try to be as helpful as I can when other people tell me their personal problems. Maybe I was younger. I have been told that I have an unusual voice, for example, flat, monotone, childish, high pitch. Never true. Gak pernah. Sometimes a thought of subjects get stuck in my mind and I have to talk about it if no one interested. True. I do certain things with my hands over and over again, like flapping, dropping sticks, or waving things by my eyes. What? True. I have never been interested in what most of people I now consider interesting. Maybe when I was younger, I am considered as a compassionate type of person. Never true. I get along with other people by following a set of specific rules that help me look normal. Never true. It is very difficult for me to work and function in groups. Only now. When I'm talking to someone, it's hard to change the subject. If the other person does so, I can get very upset and confused. Never true. Sometimes I have to cover my ears to block out painful noises like vacuum. Yes, true. I can chat and make small talk with people. True. Sometimes things that should be painful are not. For instance, when I hurt myself to burn on the stove. Never. When I'm talking to someone, I have hard time telling when it's my turn to talk or to listen. Never. I am considered a loner by those who know me best. True. Gua tipikal orang yang suka menyendiri atau penyendiri banget. I usually speak in normal tone. True. I like things to be exactly the same day after day. And even small change in my routines upset me. True. How to make friends and socialize is a mystery to me. True. Gue emang kadang suka bingung gitu loh, gimana cara orang bikin teman atau bersosialisasi mereka tuh gimana caranya. It calms me to spin around or to rock in a chair when I'm feeling stressed. True. Ketika gue duduk di kursi, itu gue bakal nggak bisa diam. Entah itu kaki gue, entah tangan gue, atau apalagi kursinya bisa muter 360 derajat itu. Gue bakal ngelakuin apapun, yang penting gue bisa gerak. The phrase, he wears his heart on his sleeve, doesn't make sense to me. True. If I'm a place where many smell, texture to feel, noises to bright lights, and cheer of brightening. True. I can tell when someone says thing but means something else. True. Gue bakal tahu orang itu lagi ngomong apa, padahal dia lagi ngomongin yang lain gitu. Gue bakal tahu. I like to be myself as much as I can. True. I keep my thoughts stacked in my memory like they are on feeling cards, and I pick out the ones I need by looking through the stack and finding the right one or another in a unique way. True. The same sound sometimes seems very loud or very soft, even though I know it has not changed. Never. I don't know. I enjoy spending time eating and talking with my family and friends. Never. Kadang gue suka menyendiri aja gitu loh. I cannot tolerate things I dislike: smells, textures, and color. True. I don't like to be hugged or held. Yeah, of course I like that. So when I go somewhere, I have to follow a familiar route or I can get very confused and upset. True. It is difficult to figure out what other people expect from me. True. I like to have close friends. True, when I was younger, people tell me that I give too much detail. True. I am often told that I ask embarrassing question. Maybe only now karena dulu gue nggak terlalu suka ngobrol sama orang. I tend to point out other people's mistakes. Never. Score. Total 152. What? 152. The mean score of autistic people, strong evidence for autism. Yep. Mungkin gue sekarang consider as an autistic person. Not funny. 152 score. Hampir. Very strong evidence of autism. Hampir. Butuh 8 poin lagi. Bro. Like, why? I don't know.